What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to create content with the help of ChatGPT. So this one is very easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, ChatGPT is a very useful AI website that can gives you a lot of information you want. If you want image, if you want text, if you want templates of your something of your what you want to do, and that's it. You can ask on ChatGPT. So for example, I'm going to make my blog here in Google site. So I'm just going to add a title, my personal blog. And if I want to lessen my hassle to create an introduction to my blog, I can just ask ChatGPT to create an introduction to my blog. So we'll go back to ChatGPT and just type create a introduction sample for my personal blog, and that's it. And after you enter that, the ChatGPT will now generate a template sample for your introduction. Just wait until it's done, and after that, you can just copy and paste it to your Google site. And if you want some image, some videos, or even some Google site template, you can ask ChatGPT to generate it for you. And that's how useful ChatGPT is. And I recommend you to use it, guys, because it's really famous right now and it's really helpful for you to create a lot of things. And that's it. That's how you can do it. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.